Now that we've defined our data view, we need to run it for the first time. There are basically three ways that a data view can be launched. As the developer who's busy building the data view, I can obviously, in the administration tool, right-click and launch the data view directly. Or I can create a URL, which is using the tag ID that we created earlier. And I can distribute this URL to the data view. And depending on who's got access to this data view, they can run the data view from the URL. However, normally within your organization or solution, you might have a number of data views that you'd like to be exposing to your end users. And in that case, it's actually more convenient to create an application shell, which is effectively just a menu structure, which I've already created, that you can distribute as a URL that will basically take your users to a launchpad from where they can access the data views that you've created. In this case, I've created just a sample application shell, and I've put our employee data view under the employees menu item.